You ever felt you ever felt confused or pressured during a car repair? If so, you're not alone. I'm Jim. I've spent decades in the collision industry dealing with diagnostics and vehicle safety systems, seeing firsthand how modern vehicles are repaired, and more often than not, how they're misunderstood. Today's vehicles, they're filled with sensors, cameras, and safety technology. And if those repairs are not done correctly, those systems simply don't work the way they're supposed to. On this channel, I break down vehicle repairs, insurance conversations, and safety systems into plain English so you can make an informed decision that will protect yourself and your family. If you want real talk, real tips for every mile you drive, subscribe to Uncle Jim's Car Corner.